case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Curtice Brothers v. Catts, heard in 1907 by the New Jersey Court of Chancery, dealt with the delicate intersection of law and equity in contract enforcement. At the center of the dispute was a breach of contract between the two parties: Curtice Brothers, a large-scale canning factory, and Mr. Catts, a supplier of tomatoes. Acute problems erupted when Catts reneged on the contract, leaving the canning factory without an alternative supplier of the tomatoes crucial for their operations. The potential disaster this posed pushed Curtice Brothers to sue Catts, seeking nothing less than the specific performance of the original contract. The presiding judge, Justice Y.C. Beaming, embarked on a detailed dissection of the law in his majority opinion. He explained that while contracts for the sale of land typically warrant specific performance in a court of equity, contracts dealing with personal property don't follow that norm. The damages in such cases, Beaming noted, can usually be quantified easily, and thus remedied through financial compensation. However, the Curtice v. Catts case presented a different scenario altogether. The judge acknowledged the uniqueness of the situation, one where no adequate legal remedy could make up for the breach. Basing his ruling on past precedents and a careful examination of the nature and repercussions of the contract, the judge granted specific performance as a remedy to the plaintiff. In a step ensuring the integrity of the contract and the survival of Curtice Brothers' canning operations, the court ordered explicit performance from Catts. This directive saved the factory, preventing an otherwise irreversible damage to its business had the breach been allowed to stand. The court's landmark decision underscored the principle that equity can and should intervene judiciously to ensure fairness when the law falls short.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.